Hey there, welcome back. I'm glad you visited my channel again, because we will be talking about a good source of income. Have you ever started thinking of becoming a virtual assistant? As a quick description, a virtual assistant is a self-employed professional who provides assistance to clients remotely. If you needed tips about a VA job, then this surely is the right place for you. If you are already engaged in working with the clients on their ongoing needs or projects, but you are still unsure about how to properly position or present your services, watch this quick video tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set your hourly rate, create package pricing, so you can charge confidently and professionally, and understand value-based pricing. Before taking up a VA work, start by asking yourself, how much do you want to earn per month? Let's say your goal is to earn $2,000 a month from your virtual assistant job. Let's then calculate how many billable hours you realistically work. Let's say $2,000 divided by 80. That gives you a rate of $25 per hour. I will leave the formula here on screen in case you need a copy. Now, let's talk about the package services that you can provide to the client. Unlike a normal hourly-based work, packages focus on deliverables instead of time. Clients pay for the results you deliver or for the completed project. Let's say you offer a social media package. That includes advertisement work or chat support for $300 per month. Whether you spend 10 or 12 hours doesn't matter to the clients. It's about the value and the results. Yes, this one's about productivity or creativity. Finally, let's talk about value-based pricing. The client will pay based on the outcome or transformation you bring to your work, depending on the quality of what you deliver, not the time it takes you. If your work leads to a client gaining $10,000 in revenue, a $1,000 per month fee is more than reasonable. It's a 10 times return for them. Remember, your pricing reflects your value. Start simple with hourly if you're new. Move to packages as you specialize and level up to value-based pricing. As you gain experience and results, these are the traits you need to become a better virtual assistant. Before we start in the VA industry, there are a few tasks we need to fulfill. Know your income goals. Track your time. Communicate deliverables clearly. And let's not forget about raising our rates as our skills grow. I hope you have learned something from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.